Guys, welcome. So today in this video I will show you different landmarks from all around the world. These are the famous landmarks we often see in on desktop backgrounds or some wallpapers. So let's find their locations on map. Okay, so we will begin with Great Pyramid of Giza. So it's in Egypt. We can see this is Egypt. We have Egypt in Africa, and this Great Pyramid of Giza is in Egypt, the archaeological wonder. Then we can see the location. On one side we have Mediterranean Sea and on the other the Red Sea, and both are connected by the Suez Canal. When it was opened, it was a great moment for the world because travel really began with the opening of Suez Canal. So here we have Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt. Then we have Eiffel Tower in City of Love, Paris. So Eiffel Tower is a monument of love we often see in movies, and so it is lightened up with a lot of lights. Thousands of lights are used to light this monument. Then we have Hollywood sign in USA. It is in California, state of California. We have city of Los Angeles, and in Los Angeles you will find this Hollywood sign. Then we have Berlin Wall monument in Germany. In Germany we have Berlin Wall. Berlin Wall was the separation between democratic Germany and the other socialist Germany. Okay, so this is now a very important site for tourism also, Berlin Wall Memorial. Then we have La Sagrada Familia in city of Barcelona in Spain. So here we have Portugal, Spain, and in Spain we have Barcelona near to this Tyrrhenian Sea, and this is Mediterranean Sea. Okay, next we have, after La Sagrada Familia, let's go to the Grand Palace of Thailand. So it is in Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand, and here we have in Thailand the Grand Palace. You can see the location of Thailand. Okay, so these are Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, all the southeastern countries. So here we have Grand Palace in Thailand. Okay, next we have Notre Dame in, again in Paris. We have this Notre Dame castle, an important monument we often see. So this castle is in Paris. Louvre Museum, again in Paris, we have this Louvre Museum, house to the Mona Lisa paintings, the famous Mona Lisa paintings. So this is Louvre Museum. Then we have Mount Fuji in Japan, active volcano site we have in Japan. So people have really started visiting these adventurous sites of course it is very thrilling and very dangerous to visit such sites, but people are now doing extraordinary things. So this is Mount Fuji in Japan, the active volcano site. Next we have Tower of London. Here we have Tower of London in London. Then Grand Canyon National Park in state of Arizona. We have Grand Canyon and Grand Canyon National Park also. If we zoom out, we can really see a small canal flowing in this location. We can really find a small, here we have this light blue stream you can see. So this is, okay, Colorado River, and this is Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. Then we have the Strip in Las Vegas in state of Nevada. We have Las Vegas, and it is a red light area. Then we have Colosseum in Rome. So it's an amphitheater in Rome. For public show it was used in Rome. You can see the location. So it is Tyrrhenian Sea. Okay, so into the Mediterranean Sea it is Italy, and here we have this, you can see the location. This is Africa, this is Europe, and this is Italy. And here we have the Colosseum in Rome, central Italy. We have this is not, one second. Okay, so we have seen the Colosseum of Rome. Then let's move on to Bora Bora. Bora Bora is a small island. Bora Bora caves are in India, but this is a small island near to this equator and on this zigzag line of anti-meridian. Now in some other video I will tell you why this line is zigzag. If you don't know, then you can stay tuned to our channel. And this is Bora Bora Island, and it is very famous destination for leisure tourists. There are different islands, different beaches. Okay, so it is near to anti-meridian, 180 degree the international date line, and 180 degree of longitude. So it is in South Pacific Ocean, Bora Bora Island. Next, let's go to Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. We have this castle of Neuschwanstein. Let's find the location. Okay, so here we are near to Germany. Yeah, so here we have in Germany, in south of Germany. So this is whole of Germany, and these are the borders. Germany borders with Poland, Czech Republic, then we have Austria, Switzerland. So here we have this Neuschwanstein Castle. Then let's go to Pamukkale in Turkey. So it's very beautiful destination. The white strips you see are the strips of white rock that you will find here, and this is waters in these rocks. Pamukkale, beautiful destination. Then we have in Bali, Ubud, Bali Island in Indonesia. You will find Ubud Island in Bali. Then we have Burj Khalifa in Dubai. In Dubai we have Burj Khalifa. So it is Gulf of Oman, Persian Gulf, and this is United Arab Emirates. In United Arab Emirates, UAE, we will find Dubai. Dubai code is DXB, and this is Burj Khalifa, the tallest building. Then we have Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a Central American country, and it's beautiful country, Costa Rica. Then we have Phuket in Thailand. So you can see this whole of this is Thailand, and it is near to Andaman Sea. Phuket famous for beaches, and you will also find this beautiful temple. So it is also in Phuket. So here we have Phuket near to Malaysia in Thailand, but okay, so Phuket in Thailand. Then we have New York, the Big Apple in America. Okay, so this is New York, and this monument, this landmark is Statue of Liberty, very famous landmark. So here we have New York in New York. After this, let's go to Barcelona again. So here we have Barcelona in Spain. Then we have Seychelles Islands in near to Africa. We have these islands in Indian Ocean. This is equator, and it is near to equator, Seychelles Islands. Oriental Pearl Tower. This is Oriental Pearl Tower near to East China Sea in Shanghai. This is Shanghai. In Shanghai you will find Oriental Pearl TV Tower. Okay, then we have Matterhorn, a mountain in Switzerland. Recently it was lightened up with Indian flag, so to show solidarity with the global pandemic that is going on of COVID-19. Here we have city of Milan in Switzerland, and this is Milan is in Italy, but near to Milan you will find, because Switzerland is really very small country, and on the southern border, near to southern border, we have this Matterhorn mountain. Then we have Blue Mosque in Istanbul in Turkey. We have Blue Mosque. Let's see the location of Istanbul. So here we have Istanbul near to Bulgaria, near to Black Sea. We have Istanbul. Okay, in Turkey, in northern Turkey, we have Istanbul, and Istanbul we have the famous Blue Mosque. Then we have Victoria Harbour in Hong Kong. In Hong Kong we have Victoria Harbour. So after this, let's go to Celsus Library, the Ephesus, it's in Turkey again, Celsus Library. So now it's a monument, tourist visit a lot. Then we have Buckingham Palace in UK. We have Buckingham Palace in London. Then we have Leaning Tower of Pisa. Again in Italy we have Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay, so here we have Italy, Milan, Rome, and Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. The Palace Museum. Here we have the Palace Museum in China. Famous dynasties of China ruled from here, so it is near to Beijing. It is in Beijing. Then we have British Museum. British Museum. Here we have British Museum. It is housed to the Taj of the Queen Victoria and other precious jewels are also housed in British Museum. Lot of them are from colonial period, from these all Commonwealth countries. Then we have Amsterdam in city of Amsterdam. We have city of Amsterdam in Netherlands. Here we have Netherlands. Okay, here Netherlands. Near to Netherlands you can see around Germany, Belgium, France. Okay, so it is near to North Sea. Then we have Disneyland Resort in Los Angeles. Again Disneyland Resort. Okay, Disneyland, the famous Disneyland. Then we have Tulum. So it's in Mexico, Central American country, Mexico. You will find Tulum, very famous destination. Then we have British Virgin Islands, and in Caribbean Sea we have British Virgin Islands. So again these all Caribbean countries are famous for the beaches, for the beauty, for the islands. Okay, these all are the Caribbean countries, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and a lot of them. Then we have Puerto Rico. Okay, then we have Gyeongbokgung Palace in South Korea. So it's a palace. You can see the architectural style. Okay, Korean architecture. Then we have Santorini in island of Thera. So it is not a mainland. It is not in mainland Greece. It is in island of Thera. Thera. The code is JTR. If I tell you the city code, the airport code, then here we have Greece, and it is near to Greece. We have this is island of Greece, Thera Island, and in this island you will find this beautiful city of Santorini. Then let's go to Walt Disney World, WDW, in state of Florida. In Ontario we have this Walt Disney World Resort. Then we have Prague in Europe, in Czech Republic, near to Germany. We have this Prague. Then let's go to Amalfi in Italy. We have Amalfi. Then we have Iguazu Falls. Here we have these Iguazu Falls. It is in border between this Argentina and Brazil. This is Iguazu Falls between the borders between Brazil and Argentina. This is Iguazu Falls. Then we have St. Peter's Basilica. So it is in Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, and it is very holy place. Here where the Pope is, site of the Pope, and here we have the Saint Basilica in Vatican City. So near to Italy you will find a small country, that is Vatican City and St. Peter's Basilica. Then we have Sydney. In Australia you have the Sydney. So in Australia you will find coral reefs on its eastern border, and you can see the name of the sea is also Coral Sea. And this is Sydney, very famous picture we always see of the Sydney. Then we have Mount Everest in Nepal. So it is the largest mountain. Then we have Petra Archaeological Park in Jordan. We have Petra. So we have, here's the location of Jordan. Near to Egypt we have Jordan, Israel. Okay, so here we have Petra in Jordan. It is also again very ancient archaeological remains. Petra, it's an archaeological park. Then we have Emperor Qin Mausoleum or Site Museum. So these are the site museums of China. In this we will find various terracotta warriors statues. These are the terracotta statues. Okay, so it's very famous landmark, very famous tourist destination of China. Then we have Angkor Wat in Cambodia. We have Angkor Wat So here we have Angkor Wat's Hindu temple in Cambodia. So near to Thailand you will see Cambodia, location of Cambodia and Angkor Wat's. Then we have Borobudur temple again in Indonesia, in Java Island. So whole of this is Indonesia, and so in Java you will find Borobudur temple. This was Ubud in Bali. Bali is also a very famous tourist destination, and this is Borobudur temple in Java. Then we have Mount Kilimanjaro, largest mountain in the highest mountain in whole of the Africa. So it is also a national park. So it is in Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro. Then we have Red Square in Russia, near to Europe. So here we have Red Square of Russia. Then we have Jamal El Fana in Morocco, city of Marrakesh in Morocco. We have Jamal El Fana. So it is in the eastern, it is in the northern. So here we have Africa. In north you will find this Morocco country, and in Morocco, in Marrakesh, this is Jamal El Fana, near to Mediterranean Sea. Then we have Rio de Janeiro and the famous landmark of Christ the Redeemer. This is Rio de Janeiro. Okay, so here it is in, here we have Rio de Janeiro, location of the Rio de Janeiro. It's in Brazil. All of this is Brazil. After Rio de Janeiro, let's go to Paro. Paro Taksang in Paro Valley of Bhutan. Here we have Nepal and Bhutan. In Bhutan you will find Paro Valley. Then this is Great Wall of China. So it was built to protect the Chinese dynasty, Chinese, So then we have Taj Mahal, the famous from India. Taj Mahal near to New Delhi capital. Then we have Meiji Jingu in Japan. We have this Meiji Jingu, and Tokyo Disney Resort also. Mount Fuji in Japan, I have listed Mount Fuji, Meiji Jingu, and of course the Tokyo Disney Resort. I want to go to Meiji Jingu, na? I have to zoom it out. Zoom in more to go to this Meiji Jingu. Here we have Disney Resort, and here this is Meiji Jingu. Then we have Table Mountain of Cape Town. Cape Town in South Africa. In south we have this Cape Town, city of Cape Town in South Africa. We have these Table Mountains. Then we have Santiago, city of Santiago. Here we have city of Santiago in South America, in Chile. So this is in Chile, Santiago. Then we have Barbados. So again Caribbean island, I already told you. Then we have Locla Islands. Locla Islands. Here we have the location of these islands, again near to the anti-meridian. Here this is Locla Island. Then we have Niagara Falls, the border between USA and Canada. It is in both the countries. Here, this is Niagara Falls. Okay, between Canada and USA. Then we have Zocalo in Mexico, Mexico City. We have this Zocalo. Mexico is its Central American country. Then we have Budapest in Hungary. In Europe we have Budapest. Then we have Galapagos Islands. This is Galapagos Islands in Mediterranean Sea. No, sorry, it is in, here we have Galapagos Islands in Pacific Ocean. Video is too long. or Santiago Island. So here we have Santiago Island, and Santiago City is in this child. In this child we've seen the Santiago City, and here we have Santiago Island also, and Galapagos Islands also. Okay, so this is in Pacific Ocean. Then we have Tokyo Disney Resort. I will already shown you Tokyo Disney Resort. Okay, then we have Acropolis of Athens in Italy. We have this Athens, and Acropolis of Athens are very famous. Then we have Big Ben, the clock tower of your London in UK. Then we have Machu Picchu. Here we have this Machu Picchu. So it is also very famous in Peru. Capital is Lima, and here we have the location of Machu Picchu. Then we have Santiago Island. I already have shown you. Then we have Times Square. Times Square. Here we have Times Square in New York. These buildings, Twin Tower in New York. Then we have World Trade Center in New York. Then we have Santiago in Here we have Santiago in Chile. Then we have Stonehenge in United Kingdom. Salisbury in United Kingdom. You will find these Stonehenge. These are the Stonehenge, very famous. And then we have Gateway Arc. The Gateway Arc. Here we have the Gateway Arc in US, in St. Louis. In state of Illinois, you will find Gateway Arc. So this was it. Near around 100 landmarks from the world shown on map. Stay tuned to our channel to know more. To see more videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.